enkumi n'enkumi z'abanya-Uganda bahangu okurwa mu bitongore bya gavumenti bitari bimwe na bimwe abebembezi b'enkyereza zitari zimwe na zimwe hamwe n'abebembezi okurwa mu mahanga ga Africa agatari gamwe na gamwe baishika hachai cha Kororo Ceremonial Grounds okwatanisa na Uganda okujaguza emyaka 63 y'okwetegeka. Obuyaba nagamba aha mukoro ogu omwebembezi w'ihanga His Excellency General Kaguta Museveni yagamba bulungi obw'okukwatanisa hagati y'amahanga ga Africa okurebeka ngu amahanga aga garigamu bworo.
Tewali wagenda kwekiika mu kkubo lyaffe ery'enkulaakulana. The only other issues we need to concentrate on are two. These are the economic integration of East Africa to ensure a big market for the wealth creators of East Africa, and the political integration of East Africa resulting into the political federation of East Africa that will deal with the strategic situation of East Africa and even Africa. Now, ekisigadde ekikulu kwe kuteesa n'Abaganda baffe ab'e Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, South Sudan, Congo, Somalia okunyweza akatale akawamu ak'ekitundu kyaffe.
President Museveni yashoborera ngo bwahati Uganda tekibasa kwemerezebwa speed yerho ombyentungu arikushobora ngo bwahati kirkwetengesa n'amahanga gandi ujegeitaho obutare bwansharo bukagira mani.
With East Africa, we are also working on the common market of the whole of Africa, and we have already reached the CFTA, the Continental Free Trade Area. However, in East Africa, we are also discussing the issue of the political integration leading to the Federation of East Africa. And the reason for that is that economic integration will deal with the economy, with the market.
President Museveni yashobora ngo bwahati government eri ekora obuceki ihembe okwatanisa n'abebembezi b'amahanga ga East Africa gandi kurebeka ngo habaho okwatanisa ombyo butegeki hamwe n'ebyo kwerinda kurebeka ngo buremezo buri kuteganisa amahanga ga burwizoba bwa Africa bwabasa kurubato hamtwe.
Defense and security. We need a tighter organization to be able to defend ourselves against all the threats in the world. The Federation of the East African States would create a center of gravity for the black race and would create a defense potential that defends East Africa against all and any threats.
Obuyaba nagamba hamukorogu Minister w'obwa President Honorable Minister Miri Babaranda yashobora ngo umukorogu kujaguza kwetegeka kwihanga ko murundo ogu gwabaguteirwe aha kujaguza ebyekibine cya National Resistance Movement basize koromi ihangeri uteireho no kutaho oburyo hamwe no kwecumtereza okubya kubasa kurindwa.
Your Excellency, the NRM government has transformed Uganda in the areas of the economy, in the areas of infrastructure development, and regarding peace and stability. Your Excellency, as it is well stated in the 2026-2031 NRM Manifesto, consolidating of peace, infrastructure, service delivery, and economic transformation will be key in the next phase, but especially to safeguard the hard-won accomplishments.
Okujaguza kwetegeka kwihanga okumurundi ogwankaga n'eshatu kwaba gutara umukoro gwonka koka kwaba kuriyo kwecumitereza ahabumwe obwabeiraguju nango teriho no kukwatanisa ombyentunguka z'amahanga gona bakuraga gacha kwa Ivan Nyesiga abatayari West muri Kampala.